We will create this sci-fi animation on our channel Think Sci-Fi. Add a cylinder by pressing Shift A. Give a vertex of 3 and depth of 0.001. Go to the modifiers setting and add a wireframe modifier. Give a thickness of 0.2 for now and increase offset completely. Then add a bevel modifier and again add a bevel modifier and give a segment of 4. Now left click Shade Smooth. Again add a one more modifier, Array modifier. Make factor X 0 and Z 1.2. Give a count of 85. Add one more modifier, Simple Deform. Select Z in the axis and angle of 360. Again add one more Simple Deform modifier. Select Bend, Y-axis and angle of 359. Increase the thickness of wireframe. If you want to increase the inner radius, then apply it. Apply all the modifier except bevel. Now left click, set geometry to origin. Press Shift A, go to the empty and select arrow. This is very important step for moving any object in any axis or location. Select cylinder, then arrow, then press Ctrl P object. This will parent cylinder to the arrow. Now rename it because we will add 3 more cylinders. Make a timeline of 150 frame. Select the cylinder, go to the 0 on the timeline, enter keyframe in the rotation Y. Then go to the last frame on the timeline and enter 360 in the rotation Y and enter keyframe. Now press A for selecting both arrow and cylinder. Then press Shift D to make a duplicate and set it on the bottom right. Then select arrow and now make the adjustment with arrow, not with cylinder. To rotate the object in this location, parenting with arrow is very important. Some free day, try to rotate the bottom 2 cylinder without parenting with arrow. You will feel that this is next to impossible to rotate the bottom 2 cylinder on its axis without parenting with arrow. Hide the right empty and right cylinder. Then again make a duplicate by pressing Shift A of both the object and follow the same steps. Adjust the settings for the best look. If you want to download this or many more projects like this, I will provide my Shutterstock portfolio link in the description. Now click on center cylinder and make a duplicate by pressing Shift D. This duplicate can move without the arrow. Then rotate and move it on the X location and rotation. Your animation is ready. Now the time for shading. Go to the render tab and make the world completely black. Select any of the cylinder, then new, and make some space for few more nodes. Press Shift A and add mix shader. Then add a emission shader to it. Then color wrap and gradient texture. Then click on gradient texture and press Ctrl T if you enable node wrangler. Otherwise add these 2 nodes. Increase the emission strength up to 10. Then go to the render setting and turn on all the 3 options. Choose your color in the color wrap. Add one more shader wireframe to the mix shader factor. Increase the strength of emission if required. Then connect texture coordinate normal to the mapping. Adjust the color wrap for better look. Come back to the layout and go to the render setting. Select all the 3 cylinder by pressing Shift and at last select the center one. Then press Ctrl L and select material. This will apply to all the other cylinder also. If this tutorial is providing any value to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Go to the front view and add a camera by pressing Shift A. Then zoom out little bit with your camera with your mouse scroll wheel and press Ctrl Alt 0. This will set the camera on your location. You can scroll in the scene and change the camera angle if you need by the same process, but the front view is best for me. Adjust the camera position. To save it in the form of video, go to the printer icon and change the frame rate to 30 for making 5-second animation, and then follow the same process. To save it in the 4K form, just change the percentage value up to 200, then render animation. Thank you very much for watching.